Hello, this is Lisa, and this channel is about entrepreneurship and the entrepreneurial mindset. So in today's video, I want to introduce to you something that I've recently came across. It's been around for a while, but I'm new to it. So it is a video editing tool that you could use in your business for your profiles on social media and for your thumbnails on YouTube. So it's called Snappa, and I will leave a link in the description below so that you can so that you can sign up. And I'll just do a quick video tutorial on how to use it, or how I've used it. I'm still learning, but it's pretty easy to use. I used it on my last video for my YouTube thumbnail, and it was very simple. So with that being said, I want to share my screen with you and show you how to use the tool called Snappa. Okay, so right now we are on snappa.com, and this is the website, and here is what you can use it for. So you have your social media post. You use it on Instagram, on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. And really, I believe you could just use it on any platform that you'd like. These are just the ones that they have, the photos perfectly sized for. So, like if you want to do a YouTube thumbnail, you go right here where it says YouTube thumbnail, and then it will have a bunch of different templates that you can use for it. So these are the different templates, and they have over, I think, 3,000 of them. So I mean, you have a large selection to choose from. And also, so you can also like create your own one from scratch if you want to, just put one together yourself and not use one of the templates. But I use the templates because it's much easier. So you have all of these things that you can do. Is like you can do do effects, text. You choose a background, so you can click here, choose a background. So if you want to do something on, I don't know, something on, let's just choose this one. So that's the background, and you can create effects. Like you could darken it, lighten it, you can blur. You can blur the picture if you want to. Unblur, saturate it with the color. Well, this is black and white, so you can't see the saturation. You can add text, add a heading, and that's the heading. Okay, I paused for a while because my daughter came in and disturbed me. But anyway, you can add text. You can add graphics. Like, okay, this won't make sense, but I'm just trying to illustrate. So you can add graphics to the picture. You can add, okay, you can delete that. You can add shapes. If you want to add a shape. So it's square. So it's just a lot of different stuff you could do. And this is if you wanted to do your own template and not use one of the ones that they have already as a template, if you want to make your own one. So that's Snappa, and here's the pricing. It's actually absolutely free, but with the free plan you can only upload or download 3 per month. So if you upgrade, then with the Pro you can do unlimited downloads per month. See, with the free you can only do 3. Pro, you do unlimited downloads. It's $10 a month, but that's only if you do the annual plan. So that would be, at the time that I'm making this recording, that would be $120. But if you do month to month, if you do monthly, then it would be $15 per month. So that's the Pro version, and the only difference between the Pro and the Team version is with the Team you can collaborate with a team. So that would be $20 a month billed annually, and monthly it's $30 a month. So that's Snappa, and let me show you my last video. So I want to show you my last video because I used the tool to make that thumbnail. So let me pause it for a while and I'll get to that. Okay, so here's my channel, and this was my last video. So this is the thumbnail that I used, that I created. Well, not created. I chose a template. So that's the thumbnail there. So that's Snappa, and if you have any questions, you can leave that down in the description. I'll put a link down, and also please subscribe and hit the like and bell so that you can get any notifications. Well, that is it for this training, and hope you liked it. I hope you got some value. I upload every Tuesday and Thursdays, so I'll see you back here on next video, and until that time, take care.